What will win in a drag race between a 911 GT3 RS, a 911 GT3 and a 911 GT3 Touring? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile, because I'm going to find out if these wings provide too much drag, because big wing, medium wing, no wing. I'm Matt Watson. And you're Matt Watson. No, you're not. I'm Matt Watson. You're Carwow. No, I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS has a 4-litre naturally aspirated flat 6 with 525 horsepower and 465 Nm of torque. That drives the rear wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,450 kilograms and costs from £192,600. The new Porsche 911 GT3 and GT3 Touring 992.2 also have 4-litre naturally aspirated flat 6 engines, but they both produce 510 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. As with the 3RS, they have a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox and launch control. The GT3 weighs in at 1,479 kilograms and the GT3 Touring weighs in at 1,477 kilograms, and they both cost from £158,000. Hello Yanni, you're in a GT3. I'm in a GT3 RS. I feel like I've got the upper hand, but have I really?
Hello Matthew, GT3 RS looks amazing. This GT3 is very nice as well.
Your mate Bav, who's lent you that car, swapped out of the GT3 RS to buy that later 992.2 generation GT3. I don't think it was the right choice. What do you think?
I don't even know, but did you not swap out of your GT3 RS and go into another Porsche? So it's like pot calling the kettle black.
Yeah, but I went into an ST, which is slightly different because it's special limited run car. That's why I did that. Actually, do you know who we should ask? A man who knows better than anyone else, because he's also got a 992.2 GT3, albeit the Touring. Tommy, so this is your RS, that's your Touring. What do you think about the difference between the two?
The RS is a lot more aggressive, more engaging to drive. The Touring just feels like a chilled out version. I prefer the RS personally. I wouldn't get rid of my RS for this car, but whichever car wins today is the car I'm keeping. That's how I'm going to decide.
Okay, what happens if the car in the middle wins? Are you going to keep that as well?
And then I'll just keep the RS anyway.
Or what you do, you just have to buy that from Bav. I'm sure he'll do a decent price on it. Right, shall we do a sound check, see if there's any difference? There's probably not. Oh, there might be actually, because the new cars have 2 more catalytic converters. This has 2. Your 2 cars have 4, but let's see if it makes a difference. Let's see if you know the trick, Tommy. Yanni knows the trick because I just taught him it. Tommy, you have a little go in yours? Okay, Tommy, are you engaging launch or not, or just pulling both pedals?
It doesn't let me pull both pedals.
Really? So put it into drive, go to drive, manual mode.
And then pull up on both pedals together, then. That's it, yeah.
I literally can tell no difference despite the catalytic converters. Should we go warm up our tyres a bit, or do you want to go in cold for the first run?
It's fair because everyone's got cold tyres, so it's fair. Tommy, your car looks a bit soft. Do you know that? Like, these have got spoilers and everything. It just looks soft.
It's a proper old man spec. Like, every time I look outside of my house at this car, I feel like, wow, I feel about 50 years old.
Even with the chrome around the windows, it's just a bit meh. Colour's lovely, but meh.
I don't know. It's nice to look at, but it doesn't feel like me. I feel like I should have got it in purple.
I think it's nice from far, but far from nice.
Shut up, how's your Revuelto? Don't diss Porsche with your Lambo crap.
Revuelto's fine, my Cully's fine, and I've got a Porsche 4 GTS as well recently, so Targa. Now what are you going to say?
Well, okay, I've got a Fiat, I've got a Mazda, I've got some Toyotas and a Honda. What do you have to say about that, Tommy?
I have a Porsche 918, SF90, Lamborghini.
Has he stopped yet?
296, Urus Performante, BMW i7.
Yes. I think he just finished then.
I can top trump all 3 of you, but none of you have a jet car that goes on the water, do you?
Well, I can beat that. I've just bought a helicopter.
I don't know whether to believe you or not, but you could probably have bought a helicopter, maybe. Did you really?
Here's a picture of my helicopter. Hey, weren't expecting that, were you? You have to watch the video to actually see my helicopter.
Okay, let's race.
Sorry, let's race.
3, 2,
traction!
Banging launch.
Tommy got the best launch.
Traction was so bad!
Wow, the 3RS is definitely faster than the GT3.
Oh, here comes the 3RS.
Tommy wins. That was a noise. Not gonna lie, launch, and I don't think Yanni's was that great.
Come on!
So, Tommy, well that's it, drag race over, it's all wrapped. You are keeping the Touring and selling the 3RS, nice.
Let's do it again.
No, I don't want to race again, let's move on to the rolling race. Which dealer are you selling this through? Is it High Wycombe you use, or is it Guildford or something?
I use High Wycombe, but let's just double check. Let's do that again. I may have jumped, maybe I jumped.
Okay, so shall I just call them now and say the car's available?
No!
How much do you want for it? I might buy it.
Yanni's got first refusal. What did he say? What are they at now? About 240, is it?
You know what, yeah, about 240. Yanni, I'll sell it to you at 260. I know you have a car that drives on water, so.
200 grand, I'll transfer it now.
How about, right, Yanni has this. Give him an extra 200 grand and you can have his Ruelto. Deal, right, Yanni?
He doesn't want a Ruelto, he's got one. He's got a 918 now, you know he's got the best.
But he has to sell it because he's just lost. No, he just won, but he lost at the same time. Yeah, that's all right for you, 440 for a Ruelto. And you get a better car as well, the 3RS.
Can we just do the next race, please?
All right, let's race again.
3, 2, 1.
Look at the launch! Oh my God!
So anyone's came in it, who bloody knows?
I just went sideways for like the first 5 meters.
Gone!
Okay, so all we need now is for me to win one and then it's even Stevens, because at the moment, who knows? I've come second twice. Let's go again.
And we're not even talking about how good that launch was and how well this car done. Like, we're just going to ignore it.
I went sideways. My car didn't launch properly.
Have you got Sam's book of excuses?
Formal protest!
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Sideways again.
Where is Tommy? That's fast. This is the decider for sure.
Is Tommy still here? Has he gone to sell that car?
Let's do one more because I was just going sideways at the start. I want to keep the GT3 RS definitely, but this car's performing quite well, but I feel like it has more in it.
Yeah, your first one was the best. Let's get down that line again, and this is the decider, last race. Okay, so what we've got is, I'm on Pirelli P0 Corsa R, or whatever they're called. No, Trofeo Rs, aren't I? Is that right, Tommy?
No, you're on a Pirelli P0 Trofeo RS.
I'm on that, you're on a Cup 2, and Yanni's on a P0R. I don't know if it's going to make a difference. Let's race. Wait, quickly. Tommy, who do you think's going to win?
I think if everyone hooks up GT3 RS.
Yanni, who's going to win?
Tommy's going to come last. That's all I know.
Tommy's going to come last. I think this is going to win. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
And it hooks beautifully. DRS on. Best launch yet. I think that's how it should be really, isn't it? Once these tyres that get warm, they hook up. So victory to the 3 RS. Which car are you keeping, Tommy?
3 RS.
So who came second? Was it you, Yanni?
It was me.
And so Touring was last, yeah?
Yeah, I don't know. The launch wasn't too hot on this, but I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep this as my daily.
Do you know what? The bigger your wing, the faster you go. We've proved it there with some carwow science. Let's do the thing. So then what exactly happened? Well, the GT3 RS won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11 seconds. The GT3 took 11.3 seconds and the GT3 Touring took 11.4 seconds. Right, now we're going to a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The car's in the most chilled setting, which is normal mode, automatic mode for the gearbox. We're going to race over the half mile from 50 miles an hour. Now, I've actually found a cool lease deal through Carwow on Porsche 911. If you want to see what the deal is, click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen now to check out our latest lease deals. 3, 2, 1, go.
RS is actually really quick. I'm pulling from the GT3 though.
Once again, clear win for the 3 RS. Touring did all right though, didn't it?
Yeah, and it looked like it was pulling from the GT3 as well. I guess it's less downforce, less drag.
I think it can just be, you know, your timing of putting the foot down, and once you're ahead, you start to like gap a bit. I don't really know. Let's take the kick down out of the equation, do it again. Let's do it in third gear, roll on, sportier setting, manual mode. Okay. Yanni, do you want to call it in, because you're in the middle, just for a change?
All right, so was it third at 40, was it?
50.
All right, let's go with me. It's third gear from 50. 3, 2, 1, go.
DRS, come on. Because I've got a camera in front of my doors, I couldn't see what gear I was in, and then it was a bit too late. But can we run it again? Is that all right?
I was thinking to myself, I've got the walkie-talkie, I'm giving the signal, and you still messed it up. Right, let's do it again.
You call this one in, Tommy.
All right then. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on, we're on it now.
I took off a bit early though.
Tommy's winning this. Do you know what? I think that Touring has a good engine in it, doesn't it?
I genuinely think it's just less drag as well. So once it's rolling, it just flies. But the launch, I think the tyres kind of didn't help.
Yeah, maybe, because when it's on it, it's on it. Yeah, so wings don't help in the rolling race, they create too much drag. Another bit of carwow science, thank you for that, Tommy. Yanni, do you have anything at all to add?
No, good race. Let's do the brake test.
Oh no, all right, come on then.
Scientifically speaking, the 3 RS should win this.
It should win this, but then again, I'm driving it and I've got the legs of a sparrow. Now we go have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. The car that stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race with Porsches, click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here, we're going to race. Oh, I forgot to say. No, I'll tell you something in a minute. Right, I'll tell you after this. Right, I've got something to tell you. Right, let's go. Right, that was wrong. Every bloody time, every time.
Matt, can you do me a favour? Can we just do one more brake test, but jump in this and let me jump in that, because, or just, man, I don't know what you're doing.
It just is what it is. Let's do one more. Go do one more. Go back. Go on, back.
No, but if you're going to do one more, you change the driver. No point in doing that. It's going to be the same result.
We're not changing the driver.
legs finally worked. Let's hope you didn't jump, but well done.
Yeah, it seemed to just dig in better. I don't know. Maybe our front tyres just got a bit hotter there. That's like a clear win to the 3 RS.
I'm proud of it. It's done well today, and it reminds me of how good that car is.
It is. Thank you very much for lending us your cars, Tommy, and thank you to Bab for lending us his, and thank you to Yanni for coming along. Oh, there's one thing I want to show you guys. Check it out, new Carwow merch, Carwow water bottle. This is a scene from a Holy Trinity drag race with the P1 918 Spider and the LaFerrari. It's a very good quality water bottle. Keeps me refreshed. Now, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know some other cars you'd like to see drag race in the comments. And if you want to check out our new range of merch, just click on the Carwow logo. Click on it. Get our new merch. There's like tops, there's caps, there's hoodies, there's water bottles, there's loads of other stuff as well. Check it out.